Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency issued by the Binance Exchange and has the symbol BNB. This coin is limited to 200 million BNB tokens and runs on the Ethereum blockchain using the standard ERC20 protocol. But what investors want to know is, how does BNB work? Is it a good long-term investment? Well, to find out, keep on watching to find out. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what BNB is. So be sure to be attentive, because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now, with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Binance currency was initially based on the Ethereum blockchain and followed the ERC20 standard, but it became the Binance Chain's native token. It was launched in July 2017 as part of an initial coin offering with a cap of 200 million BNB tokens. The coins were offered for 2,700 BNB per Ethereum coin, or 20,000 BNB per Bitcoin, pegged 1 BNB close to 15 cents. Given that 100 million coins were sold to the public, the offering was expected to have raised $15 million to enhance the Binance cryptocurrency trading platform, which was also introduced in 2017 on the Ethereum blockchain platform. Chinese entrepreneur Changpeng Zhao is the CEO of Binance, which has grown into the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. As digital currencies evolved, regulators began scrutinizing the use of digital currencies for illicit activities, such as money laundering and other criminal activities, such as ransomware payments. They raised questions about some degree of anonymity they provided. These regulatory questions led Binance to prohibit any US-based users in 2019. All 100 million BNB tokens available for public sale were sold for 15 cents each during the ICO. Binance raised a total of $15 million in Bitcoin and Ethereum from this ICO. From the $15 million raised, 35% was utilized to upgrade the Binance platform and exchange system. 50% was used for Binance branding, marketing, and education of new innovators, and the remaining 15% was set aside as a reserve in case of any emergencies or unusual circumstances. Binance opened its crypto exchange platform a matter of days after the conclusion of its mid-2017 ICO. During its ICO and early days, BNB was an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum blockchain. Binance launched its native blockchain in 2019, calling it Binance Chain or BC. With BC came the blockchain's own native BNB coin. Users received the new BNB coin in exchange for their BNB ERC20 tokens via a token swap in 2019. In the same year, Binance, in partnership with BAM Trading, launched Binance.us, allowing U.S. users in most states to trade in BNB and other coins. Although the initial ICO provided 100 million Binance tokens, the total supply is smaller. Binance spends 1/5 of its revenues every quarter to repurchase and permanently destroy Binance tokens held in its treasury, a process known as burning. Binance has held these burning activities on a regular basis. The most recent BNB burn took place on October 18, 2021, when Binance burned a total of 1,335,888 BNB, which is roughly $639,462,868, equivalent to its 17th quarterly BNB token burn. In Binance's 15th quarterly BNB burn, the company became the largest in terms of dollars. BNB is a crypto asset similar to other digital assets on the market, in that it rises and falls in value as people use and trade it. People can hold BNB in compatible wallets of crypto exchanges and send the coin directly to others for payments or otherwise. One might also wonder how to buy Binance Coin. People can buy BNB via several avenues, such as Binance's own crypto exchange, for example. As always, though, be sure to research and abide by any applicable jurisdictional laws. On a more technical level, BNB works in tandem with two specific blockchains, Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain. BSC is a separate blockchain built in addition to Binance Chain, running parallel to BC and carrying different features such as smart contract capability. BEP2 tokens are assets constructed on the Binance Chain. When constructing BC, Binance tailored the blockchain for optimal performance when trading on-chain, basing Binance DEX, Binance's decentralized exchange, on BC. However, BC is limited in the blockchain's potential for developers to build solutions on it. Adding further capabilities to its ecosystem, Binance launched Binance Smart Chain in 2020, giving developers more functionality when building their blockchain projects on BSC versus BC. BEP20 tokens are assets made on Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain is a separate blockchain from Binance Chain, but both chains operate parallel. BSC hosts smart contract functionality, for example, while BC does not. BSC is also able to work with the Ethereum virtual machine. Binance has been used in various applications on a variety of platforms. It's used to pay for Binance.com, Binance DEX, and Binance Chain transaction fees. It can also be used for payments at sites like Crypto.com, Monetha, and HTC. To book travel accommodations at sites like TravelByBit, Trip.io, and Travala.com. For entertainment such as virtual gifts, card packs, and lotteries. To pay for online services like BitTorrent, Canva, and Storm. Binance is a smooth marketplace for trading in a range of established and new virtual tokens. New cryptocurrencies list on the Binance exchange, and using Binance provides a seamless market for trading in a variety of established and new virtual tokens. Binance coins can also be used to invest in some ICOs listed on Binance's Launchpad program. Other collaborations have backed the crypto coin, which has helped it gain traction. It includes a relationship with UpLive, Asia's leading high-end live video streaming platform, distributing virtual gifts to UpLive's 20 million users in exchange for BNB tokens. The platform, the mobile app, and the Visa debit card of Monaco, the pioneering payments and cryptocurrency platform, all support Binance Coin. Over the years, Binance has launched a DEX, 2 blockchains, a peer-to-peer crypto trading option, an option for crypto borrowing, and more. BNB has grown in line with Binance's expansion. Users can use BNB coins to pay for transactions on the Binance exchange. The BNB coin has historically served as a method of fee reduction on the Binance crypto exchange, with customers of the exchange paying lower fees by holding BNB and paying platform fees in BNB. In addition, BNB has also become a component of other Binance products. Additionally, merchants can accept BNB as a form of payment, giving customers more options in terms of payment methods. Furthermore, BNB is used for various entertainment industries, from paying for virtual gifts to purchasing lottery tickets. Binance Coin may be used to invest in stocks, exchange-traded funds, and other assets on various platforms. On some platforms, BNB can be used as collateral for loans. Some apps allow users to use Binance Coin to split expenses and pay friends and relatives. After Binance began operations in 2017, it grew into one of the largest players in the crypto space. However, regulatory difficulties notably surfaced against Binance in 2021. Binance faced regulatory action from several regions in 2021, including the Cayman Islands, Japan, Malta, Netherlands, Malaysia, the United Kingdom, and Thailand. The United Kingdom Financial Conduct Authority, for example, ordered Binance to cease all UK-regulated operations. In June 2021, it lacked the necessary authorization, registration, or license. Similarly, Malaysian authorities filed a criminal complaint against Binance for operating as an unauthorized virtual asset service provider for the following month. Is Binance banned in the U.S.? Before its 2021 headwinds, Binance announced the removal of U.S. customers from its leading exchange in 2019, although Binance opened a platform compatible with U.S. users in the same year called Binance US. In response to increased regulatory scrutiny, Binance has stated that it intends to open additional offices worldwide and seek licenses in each jurisdiction where it operates. Binance is also beefing up its compliance capabilities and resources, as well as phasing out or restricting a number of high-risk items. Binance Coin's market cap has grown over the years, surpassing a valuation of $70 billion. During Binance's ICO, BNB sold for about 10 cents per token. In general, BNB's price has historically fluctuated similarly to other crypto assets trading on the market. Is Binance Coin a good investment? Since Binance's ICO, BNB has traded its way up in value significantly, fetching a price tag of more than $600 per coin at times. Its historical price rise likely yielded profit if buyers entered and sold at the right times. Although, as we advance, only the future will reveal where BNB's price will head. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on BNB? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.